have
Where's
one
the
shaper and one
Yo, I'm marking the
villain,
shaper with you guys. Okay, listen. I marked the shaper party one. Okay, Chimtoki, whatever the name is.
Yeah,
Whenever he
solo
rotates,
bomb.
not.
60%.
Solo bomb inuit, okay?
Who's there calling? I don't see the caller. Yo, def on me. Def on me. Def on me. Go back. Vodka. Okay. Listen, whenever the shaper is coming, okay? Listen, whenever the shaper is coming north, you see the sword mark, right? Coming closer. Just get away. Just rotate yourself on west. I mean, on south. Shaper. Stop. Yo, I need healers, man, fast. Healers. Start bunking the gate. He has engage. On Garuns, he has engage. Spread out. If you do not have defenses, do not stand there. I'm faking. I just faked. Spread out. Wait. You're be ready for a counter, okay? Be ready for a fast counter. Chill. Just chill. Def on me. Look on the gate. Wait. Chill. Just chill. Bonk. Just bonk. Bonk.
10%.
Bonk. Look on me. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on ground. Almost come back. You DPS have to hit faster, yeah? Spread out. Just spread outside. It's looking over the wall. Careful. The shaper is also looking.
Shaper. They're gonna go deep.
He's gonna deep. Spread out. Spread out southeast. Be ready to pot. Come southeast. Follow ground. Just follow ground. He's looking on west. Left west. Walk in brawl shallow. Look on west on me. On the healers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the 2 healers. On me. Guys, DPS have to follow, okay? Come back east, kite east. Down, kite east. The flanks hold them, GA them if you can. Just pull out east. Careful shallow. Pull out east, come east. Don't brawl too much, bro. Yes, engage, ready? You kidnap this infinity. Brace us, kidnap him on me. 5, wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, you're popping up. You're dropping your damage at, randomly. Stop doing that. Kill it. Kidnap him. Nice. Shaper spread. You can chill, okay? Just spare it. Just chill a bit.
Kidnap. Yo.
Kill him. Use a bleed. The flanks to look on the front. I'm faking. Just wait. 5 seconds after the kick out. Wait. Spread out. He has engage. I'm gonna fake. Okay, just spread. I'm faking. I faked on gate. Just spread. Spread. He's looking on east. You're stacked up on east. On west. Just spread away. Absorb his engage. Just chill. Just keep spreading. Be ready with the carry call. Okay, you have carry calls. Wait. Just chill. He's looking on the ground. Wait. Just chill. Def on me. Just chill. Heal and brawl. Look on me on the gate, not west, on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Nice, spread out. You need more DPS. How did Fairy Till die? Come southeast. Guys, you have to look at the maps, okay? Look on your surrounding. If there's a shaper, you catch this spirit. They have engage. Spread away from the choke. Spread away from the choke. Come back east, southeast. Fairy Tail, what are you? My spike, right? Come fast, man. Fuck. Guys, you can just hug the walls, hug the surroundings. You don't need to... kill him. Catch him. I'm faking on him. I faked on him. Just spread. Look on northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Hit on ground. Stop. Spread now. He's looking on choke. He's looking shallow. Don't walk in. He's gonna shallow on you. Yo, I need Hylian hoods on my engages, man. Please. Spread. Okay, kidnap him. Shaper. Pull the GA back. Wait, spread. Just spread. I fake. He's looking again. Look on me shallow. 5. Wait. Wait for that. Look on choke. Pass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On ground.
Nice. Good shit.
Walk in. Boys. Walk in. Kill the guards. Drop duty. Catch. Bro, don't let them. Thanks, hold them. Shapers, pull them. Brace us, motherfucker. I forgot how to spell out. Just keep inside. They still have bomb.
Shaper.
Sheeper. Paprika. Look northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Bonk the walls. Bonk the gates. Bonk the gate. Bonk the gate. Bonk the gate. Kill the guards. Kill the guards. Kill guards. Kill guards inside. Brawl guards inside. Brawl guards inside. Yo, fast, fast before they regear. Before they regear. Kill guards inside. Kill these guys. Kill these guys. Wipe these guys. Wipe this. Nice. Kill the guards. Kill the guards, boys. Kill the guards. Hello, fast, fast, fast. My DPS hit.
Yo, the
Guards.
guards are on me.
Guards. DPS. Yes, thank you. Bonk now. Full bonk. Pop boots. Come southwest. Are they running? Putangin.
I think so.
Fuck, man. My bad. Sorry.
Nice
I killed
clap.
the
Well
caller.
done.
No, my bad, man. I
No,
I
it's
didn't
good.
want
Good.
I didn't want to kill the caller. I wanted to kill the shaper. Fuck.
It's fine. You played well. Made the right.
Good job.
Hey, what are you guys doing? DPS, can you like come here? Or Happy Tarak will get, down by the mobs. DPS, you're trying to kill one Pierce. I see that, but